Hey house owners, it's Dan Garrison with Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage in Charleston, South Carolina. We have this beautiful spring day to show you 207 Hickory Street. This is located in the Ashley Forest neighborhood right next to the Avondale District. If you're familiar with the Avondale District here, it's the kind of the downtown of West Ashley, if you want to call that. It's about 2 blocks down the street right here, and it's full of shops and restaurants. A very popular spot in the area. This whole area kind of migrated off of the Charleston Peninsula as Charleston expanded in the 40s and 50s. This particular house was built in 2002. A little under 1,700 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bath. Has hardwood floors, crown molding, kitchen's packed with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and subway tile that goes all the way up to the ceiling. Beautiful home, patio out back, lots of upgrades. If you want to check this house out, give me a call at 843-200-1302 or check it out online at charlestonsagent.com.